So, hello everyone. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng command shell, which is like this. Of course, may mga basic commands like echo. And then, what do we want to echo? Anong gusto nating echo? Like, hi, and then hi. And then, we want to echo hello, hello. And then, of course, it gets an error if wala siyang. Then, error if no input. And then, of course, error if invalid yung command niya. And then lastly is exit. Okay, now to start, of course, need natin i-input ang basic layout ng C++, which is include 0. Okay, so now command shell natin is in loop, which is kanina nakita natin na hindi siya nagbe-break unless mag-exit tayo. Kanina may lumalabas lagi na yung dollar sign. So like here. So dito sa natin, kahit anong gawin natin, like enter, laging may input, laging may lumalabas dito na output. So kailangan natin gawin, which is of course mag-output tayo. And for this, magandang gamitin. So, yan. And then leave a space, of course, para hindi siya masyadong tiket. And then, of course, semicolon. Ano naman natin kailangan? Of course, yung goal natin, which is ang two main basic commands, which is exit and then echo. So, need natin, of course, una, kailangan natin makuha yung input ng user using the getLine function. Then, of course, yung input into using the yan. Then, meron na tayong pagbabasehan. Of course, ito na. There we go. Ayan na. Lumabas na ating command. And then, may space siya. Yan. Here. Yan yung pinaka-space niya here para dito. And then, let's check ulit. Okay. So, now, nahal natin yung pinaka-input stream niya. So, lalagyan naman natin ng condition, of course, for getting, yung input ng user. First is, of course, if yung input ng user is equals to exit, the whole command will be put to break. Now let's test. Okay, I want to exit. Nice. Now, our first goal, which is exit, is done. And then second is echo. Else if for adding another condition, which is echo. So now, hindi naman tayo gagamit ng ganito since hindi naman natin i-break siya. So need nating print out yung i-echo natin. So of course, need natin gamitin ang function na cmd.rfind, which is reverse find. And then we will be needing to hanapin natin kung ano ba yung hanapin natin sa strings natin or sa input ng user. Of course, yung echo and then space. So bakit natin nilagyan ng space? Of course, siyempre para natin malalaman kung ano yung pagbabasehan ng i-echo natin. Then after that, comma, and then saan tayo mag-i-start ng ating checking, which is of course index 0 or yung pinakaunang position natin. And then set natin yung condition into 0 since kailangan nating hanapin pag nahanap natin tong echo and then may space na to, sa index 0, i-verify natin if it's true. And then if it's true, ito na. I-output na natin ang kanyang what we call this substring. Then of course, we'll be starting at substring 5. And then overall, that will be the end of that line. Nice. And then let's test. Okay, so now I want to echo hi. There we go. I want to exit. Nice. Okay, so now that's done. We can now end this with the else if. So I want to add another part here, which is the echo, which is like basically I'll use this here, but using the echo one, only echo. So bakit ko lalagyan to? So basically, syempre, pag nag-ilay siya ng echo dan, wala naman siyang i-output eh. So I want to output, basically wala, end ko lang yung line na yun. And then else if I mean of course tatapusin natin siya, and like halimbawa wala naman dyan yung gusto nating command. I will output bang, and then of course wala naman yung command na yun eh. Of course sabihin natin command .com. Then of course end natin yung line na yan. So that sums up, and we also accomplish our second goal, which is echo. So summarize ko lang, include natin yung input and output stream, and then of course yung string library, and then using the standard namespace, and then our main function. So of course this will be run forever, which is while the condition is true. And then of course, since we want the command shell input taker, which is this $sign right here, to be pasted out without walang condition, so basically it will run like a command shell, like a literal command shell, and then setting our variable, which is the cmd, which is command, as a string, and then we will be getting the input and then storing it inside the command. And then if the command is equals to or is inputted in there is exit, our loop will be broken or will break, and then or masira. And then else if, another condition, if yung command reverse find echo, which means hinahanap nyo dito sa input ng user from starting from index 0, if itong hinahanap natin na echo and then space is nandun, this is true. And then if it's equal to 0, and then we will output now the remaining of the user's input. So kung anong text or string na input ng user natin after na itong echo space is i-output niya. And then else if yung command lang is echo, no space, of course end line lang natin, skip lang natin yun, and then else command not found. So let's try. Okay, and then of course we want to echo, echo. Nice, it's working. Echo hi. Yes, echo hi. Okay, now gusto ko naman echo hello world. Nice. So now exit. There we go. So overall, na siya, and I think pwede pa tayong gawin dito, and much better is yung mga basic like pwd, parent with directories, list, and so much more. But overall, I think we did a good job, and that's all.